back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today we're going to make a quick lunch, make some tacos, and I have some real good ingredients that you may not have used before. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so that when we drop in new videos you get notified, and if you'd like to get all the instructions and the ingredients and the measurements, you go to our website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. Let's get going here. So what I have is I have some fresh ground beef, and I am going to just literally throw it in the pan, and then I'm going to put in our ingredients. So the ingredients is what is going to make this something special. So I like to wear gloves when I do this. Because I like to use my fingers and get my fingers dirty. It's not always totally easy to open up a bag with your gloves on, but the gloves are what you use in restaurants so that you don't cross-contaminate things. Here we go. Just like that. Now, I just turned this on and I just warmed it up to high just to get the pan hot so that it'd sizzle when I dropped it in. Now I'm turning it down to medium. Okay? Get that out of my hands for the moment. Now, get this going here with a spatula. Try to get it all laid out in the pan. This is 92% lean. Also, I'm going to pour a little bit, turn of the pan of some olive oil in here. I didn't want to put it in earlier because I didn't want to burn. Let the meat, with the fat in the meat, do the work for you. I can smell the olive oil. It smells really, really, really good. So of course you know how tacos are. You want to break all this up as it cooks here. Okay, that side is already done. You know how a hamburger is. It doesn't take very long to cook up hamburger. So I have the other side going. I'll give that a break for a minute. Now, cheese. Cheese, of course, is a personal preference. If you go to the grocery store, you check the aisle, you're going to see all kinds of cheeses. This one here is made special for tacos. It's a Mexican 4-cheese blend. I like it because it has Monterey Jack and it has cheddar, and then it has a couple other things that I can't pronounce. So I'll take a picture and post it on the blog website. Now, the ingredients that go into this are garlic powder, not salt, garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, and of course I know how much a shake is, so. Now, secret ingredient, cumin. My thing with cumin is a little bit is enough. So I'm just going to go just like that. Just put a little bit in. I don't like to put a lot of cumin in. Okay, so my hamburger has calmed down from the hot pan. Okay, I can turn it up a little bit. And then when this is done, we'll start serving up the tacos here. Okay, let's let that go. Okay, let me take and put this off to the side here. Maybe if I move this over here a little bit, you can see it a little easier. Right, like that. Okay, now, cutting boards. Tomatoes. I'm using 2 lids from the takeout. That was from the egg drop soup from a Chinese takeout. Put the tomatoes inside. Like this. How about a few more tomatoes? Take and put another one on top, take a knife, cut across, just like that. If I had a bigger knife in my hand, it would probably cut maybe a little bit easier, but I got it. So now they're all cut in half. So they're all set and ready to go. Tomatoes, cheese, you know, you can put in whatever you want. You can put in onions and garlic and stuff if you like in yours. We don't. We just, basically we're just going to do the meat and the cheese and the tomatoes. And then I have in the refrigerator, it's kind of warm in here today so I didn't bring it out, but I have sour cream. And of course you can pick whatever kind of sour cream you like. So, you know, that's what's important in making a taco. So it's basically just get this to finish cooking. I'm cooking low and slow. You notice it's not done yet. That's because I'm cooking low and slow. I have been there and done that. When I was first learning to cook, when the smoke detector beeped, dinner was done. Or, before I knew how to cook, when the doorbell rang, dinner arrived. So now I like to cook and I'm trying to eat healthy and I enjoy this. So, well, the hamburger is all done and I'm just cutting up the last little thing here, the lettuce. You know, normally you don't cut lettuce, you tear it when you make salads, but for tacos you gotta cut it. Okay, now, I know that a lot of people are going to say they assemble things in a different order than I do. I put the cheese on first. But this works. Then I put the meat on top of the cheese, and it's only supposed to be 2 tablespoons of meat on the taco, and the hot meat starts to melt the cheese, and that's what I like. And I'm going to make a little bit of a mess because I'm trying to do it in a hurry here, but okay, so that's looking good. Now some tomatoes. And you know there's no neat, clean way to eat these. And then sour cream if you want it. I have the sour cream and hot sauce, or mild, whatever you prefer. Very good. All set. Thanks for watching. Come back and visit us soon. Goodbye for now.